Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be telling you how you can make some extra income during your university times. So I decided to make this video because I know it's kind of hard right now for students to make some extra income or for surviving purposes as well during this pandemic, what's happening around the world because of this COVID situation. So I will give you those valuable tips and ways that you can make money, and trust me, that they actually work because I've tried some of them during my university time. So let's jump right into it, and actually you can take notes down and I will write in the description below what are those ways so you can check them out after watching this video. So the first tip is actually Freelance website. It's called Upwork and Fiverr. I will list them down. So those websites basically gives you the ability to provide any services that you're good at, whether it's from marketing, whether it's from some of the social media expertise that you have, and as well you can offer some writing skills to your students or fellow classmates to provide those services for them. And they actually work, but you just have to make sure you are doing them in a low profile so you don't get accused by the university doing something illegal. So this is one of the valuable steps that you can do to earn some extra income. In fact, I've tried it myself to generate some extra revenue during your university time. You don't want to just be studying, because this will help you out. Once you finish and you start joining the corporate ladder, at least you'll have some expertise, some income going on, so this will be valuable for you. The second step which I wanted to discuss is academic writer. Academic writer, what I mean, which I did personally and it helped a lot. You can provide your assignments or final year projects services to students around the campus, around the university, in a specialty of what you're good at, that you can provide good quality writing services to them, that you can do their assignments. A lot of students actually don't like doing their assignments. In fact, majority of them, even if they know how to do it, they just like to outsource it and they just focus on something else. So this is a good thing for you because the competition is low, especially if you're good and getting good grades. You can actually promote yourself to provide those services, which will help you a lot as well in gaining traffic. You can build a Facebook page around it. You can build an Instagram page around it. You don't need to spend marketing budget on terms of making ads. You can actually go to the groups where most of the classmates are in through Facebook or social media, other social media platforms, and you start promoting it there, and you'll start getting a lot of students requesting to get that service from you. And this happened to me actually. The third thing which I wanted to share with you is actually Amazon FBA. Now the e-commerce market is booming, and you can get some profit and money out of doing something about it. Now this is actually doesn't require an upfront cost. You can do and use Amazon to sell your products. Amazon does all the shipping and do all the packages to your customers within a couple of days, and you will gain some profit. You can do it part-time during your university. So this is another valuable thing that you can take advantage of, and do not just dwell and sit about studying, because studying is important, as we all know, but you need as well some cash going on during your university time. This will give you the leverage and experience, so when you finish you have advantage among other students and you have some money, which is your goal as well. Now the fourth thing which I wanted to tell you about is investing in stocks. Investing in stocks can be a good thing. What I mean by investing in stocks, let me give you an explanation here. I want you to learn how to trade. Learning how to trade during an early age will give you the maximum advantage that you never would think of, even by the years pass by, that you'll be able to trade and make some money from anywhere in the world. Now this is something that requires a lot of risks, a lot of knowledge and practice doing it, understanding all the fundamentals and technical analysis when you're trading. Especially when I trade in the stock market or in the cryptocurrency market, you have to learn the fundamentals and how you can make money out of it. Even if it's a small amount, $20, $50, you still can make profit, but you have to learn it before you actually try it out. Now you can actually try trading and learn it by the time, and you can practice in the demo accounts. There are other platforms that you can use, which I'll list them down in the description below, and you can give them a shot and try them out. So make sure that you get some experience behind trading, because this will help you out in the future as well, not during your university time. So take this valuable thing from me and you will thank me later. The final step and way to make money is actually affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually you're selling someone else's product and getting a commission out of it. So there are thousands and millions of products out there and businesses operating, even small startup businesses. So you can go in Instagram or Facebook and reach out to those companies and try to promote their products. And I will list one of the good websites that you can start affiliate marketing without any cost upfront. This is actually called ClickBank, which will help you out to promote other people's products, and you get some commission out of it. And it actually works, which I've tried it out myself. And this is basically a way of you leveraging and making money part-time, and will give you some of the experience that you might not and won't learn in university time. So take those valuable skills which I've just shared with you. They will help you tremendously in growing your income, growing your experience. So I don't see any regrets or setbacks behind doing this, because this is something really valuable for your future. Take it from someone with experience, take it with someone who has passed and undergone this journey and have learned a lot. And that's why I've decided to make this video, to give those valuable information to you. And I wish you got some value out of it. So please write down if you have any questions regarding those topics and how you can start with them, and I will be happy to assist you for free without any course or anything of that. And I would like to help a lot of people to strive and become a better person of themselves and earn money as well. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate your time. Please give it a thumbs up and share it to the people as well that you might know who would help watching those videos. And see you in the next one.